Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we got our video capture card set up, the Elgato 4K-S, we could play the Zelda in the computer. Don't need to toggle back and forth between HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. I have no idea how any of this works. There's a start recording, start streaming, but I'm really excited to try to go live on my first Twitch stream. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Tichu. I thought I was gonna need more stuff, but we have our Switch 2, capture card, PC, monitor. Last video, I already downloaded the OBS and kinda know how to use this. So all that's left is starting the Twitch account, looking for a mic and webcam. We don't have a lot of options. This is from a Google Pixel that I sold a while ago. I'll link that video. Hopefully this microphone in here still works. This was left by the ex-wife. I guess she didn't want it. I think last time I used this was when Rex Cougar interviewed me. I'll also link that video. Gonna set both of those up in OBS and see if they work. That was pretty easy. We are officially live. The webcam does work over here on OBS. I had to do another video capture device for webcam footage, and then the other one is the Switch footage. So remove the controller, our link moves with us. The login for Twitch was pretty easy, but they only allow 25 characters. So instead of A Dentist Does Home Improvement, we get A Dentist Does Home Improve. There seems to be a little delay in over here compared to there. I think that's normal, or I might have to go back in and mess with the settings, but this is just my personality. I like to jump first, ask questions later, learn by doing. The stop streaming was very easy. When I clicked that button, it wanted a stream key. So under content dashboard, settings, stream, copied, pasted that in there, went live pretty quickly and easily. We've been here for almost an hour. Next video, I'm probably gonna upgrade the mic because this is a USB-C. My genius brain at the time of building the small form factor computer picked a motherboard that only had one USB-C port, and it is being used by the Elgato. But I did find this auxiliary one, but it's even older than this one because I lost the foam padding to this. Makes sense to upgrade that. Looking forward to doing research on what mic I should get. For now, video 339 done.